Hello. In order to download software associated with Office 365, such as Project or Visio, you need to go to office.com, go here to sign in. Your sign in will be your email address and the password that you use to log into your computer. Once signed in, you're going to come over here, click on Install Apps, Other Install Options, come over here to the left where it says Office Apps and Devices, View Apps and Devices. Now looking here, if you have a license for software such as Project or Visio, you'll see it here as one of your installations. If you don't see it here, you need to talk to your IT support and see why your license hasn't been issued. But once you do, please click on the one you want, click on Install Office. It will download. Go to your Downloads folder and double click it to install. That's all there is to it.